let's take a look at this problem. We got 2 cosecant theta is equal to 5. Well, first off, we want to get everything over one side. So I'll take the 5 over, because we want to use a calculator to solve this. Equals 0. Now we don't have cosecant on our calculator, but remember cosecant is equal to 1 over sine. So then this becomes 2 over sine theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we want to put the left side on y1, and then we'll put the right side on y2. You want to make sure your calculator's in radians, so press your mode button first. Make sure it says radians. And then I'm going to press my y equals, press my clear, and then I got 2 divided by sine, and I'll put x in. Doesn't matter what variable you use for these. Minus 5. And you need 0 on y2. I already have 0, but if you don't have 0, down there to y2 and you put 0 in, and that's our setup. Okay, now you want to go to your window, and you want to make sure this says from 0 to 2 pi. If it doesn't, then do 0 inner on x min, and for x max you put in 2 pi. So do 2, second caret for the pi, and then press enter. Okay, now we want to do our second trace. We want to choose 5 for intersect. Now our answer is going to be where it crosses the x-axis. So it looks like we have 2 answers here. So I do inner on first curve, inner on second curve, and then you move your flashing cursor over closer to the answer you're trying to find. We'll find the one on the right side first. Then we press enter once we get it over close enough to it. Rounded 2 decimal places, our answer would be x equals 2.73. Or theta, I should say. So theta is equal to 2.73. Now we got one more answer, because remember our answer is wherever it crosses the x-axis. So do second trace, choose intersect, inner, and then I'll do my left arrow, and I can hold it down so I don't have to keep pressing it over and over. And I just want to get it over closer to this one. It doesn't have to be right on top of it, but it shouldn't be too far away either. And now press enter. And that tells us 0.41. So theta is equal to 0.41. So those would be our 2 answers.